Unlock sharper photos and effortless recomposing by mastering back button focus on your Nikon D850. Let's dive into setting up this powerful technique first. Power on your D850 and navigate to the custom setting menu, represented by the pencil icon. Within the custom setting menu, scroll down until you find the command Other section. Press the OK button to enter this menu. Now, locate and select AF assignment. This is where we'll control what our focus buttons do. Once inside AF assignment, find the option for the AFON button. This is the primary button will be reassigning. Ensure the AFON button is set to F on. This means pressing and holding this button will activate autofocus. Now, the crucial step, go back one level and find the setting for the shutter release button. We need to disable autofocus activation from the half press of the shutter. With this setup, the half press of your shutter button will no longer trigger autofocus. Your focus will remain locked until you fully press the shutter to take the picture. This is where the magic happens when shooting moving subjects. You can now press and hold the phone button to acquire focus. Then simply recompose your shot without losing that focus. When you're ready, a gentle press of the shutter captures the perfectly focused image. For static subjects, it offers ultimate creative freedom. Focus on your desired point using the AFON button. Adjust your composition, and then release the shutter. It's that simple to gain incredible control and achieve sharper results. Mastering back button focus on your Nikon D850 is a game changer for image quality and creative control. Start practicing and watch your photography improve.